Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone down and removing the case and SIM tray so you can handle it safely. Once done, boot into recovery or DFU mode to see whether lines persist. That tells you if the issue is software or hardware. Make sure to note the model, serial, and whether the device is under warranty because that determines repair options. You should also document any recent impacts or liquid exposure, since that affects both cause and cost. Now you move into software fixes. Update or reinstall iOS using Finder or iTunes because corrupted drivers can create lines. Once updated, reset display settings and temporarily disable True Tone and Auto Brightness to rule out calibration artifacts. If lines remain, test with an external display adapter or AirPlay to check whether the GPU is outputting clean video. That helps isolate an LCD/touch digitizer fault versus logic board damage. Throughout, keep the phone powered and connected to a stable computer. If diagnostics point to hardware, you either replace the screen assembly or seek an authorized service. A genuine OEM screen reduces risk of new artifacts. When you do a DIY swap, use certified tools, follow torque and connector order, and ground yourself to avoid static damage. Once replaced, test thoroughly. If lines persist after a known good screen, you should suspect logic board or GPU damage and stop further teardown. One troubleshooting tip. If intermittent lines change with pressure, recheck connectors before concluding board failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.